Hi, hello and welcome back to my channel Div's Home Studio. Today's video I'm going to share my review on the Essence makeup product. I wanted to try out this product from a very long time, but I did not get the product, so finally I got a bunch of products. So let's review on this product and let's see how it really works. Coming to the brand is basically a European brand. It was founded actually in Germany by Christina. She's the founder of the brand, and then in 2007 actually it came to New York's market, and then it was kind of worldwide, all over the world in the year 2010. And I think in India in 2012 or something, and it came to India, but it was not a quite famous brand. Later on the products were available on all the online websites like Amazon and Flipkart, and the products, they do have a very wide range of products categories. When it comes to foundation, they do have 3 to 4 foundations and range, and they have camouflage concealers, they do have highlighters, n number of liquid lipsticks, and liquid lipsticks like chrome metallic kind of liquid lipsticks, bullet lipsticks, and whatnot. They do have a wide range of kajal pencils, eyeliners, they do have a wide range of mascaras. So I picked like a few basic products like foundation, mascara, eyeliner and stuff. So let's check out what the products I got and let's see how did it work on my skin. So the first product would be their liquid foundation, and this is how the packaging looks. I'll just impose the packaging, complete packaging here. You can just check it out. And this is how the packaging looks. It's a complete plastic packaging. It's flimsy. I did not like it because it should have been a little more better. So this is how it looks. They have a dropper, and they do have 30 ml of product. It retails something around like 380 bucks or something. I'll just put the MRP on the screen. You can check it out, and it's in the shade Crazy Caramel, and it has 30 ml of product. It is medium to buildable coverage. The shade is way too lighter to my skin. It did not really work. I thought it's caramel, so it is going to work well. Somehow I managed to blend out this product in my tutorial. I will give the Essence makeup tutorial in my description box. You can check that out too. So this is how the shade looks. It's like, as you can see, it's quite lighter for my skin. It didn't really work. So that's it about the foundation. So we'll move on to the next product. So the next product would be their mix and match concealer. So this is how the packaging looks. This is the lightening packaging, and this is the darkening one. So it's just kind of a dropper. It's a nice dark shade. So again, the light one. I usually have this normal camouflage concealers because again I would have a problem of color shade. So I thought, why not give this a try, so you can mix and match whatever color shade you are in. So this is kind of, both are in the cool undertone. So I just added orange concealer to just color corrector to just give that nice warmth to the both concealer and the foundation. Only then I could work out for my skin. So this is a good pick. I like the product. Next, I did not get the compact and highlighter from this brand. I got it, but I did not get delivered. So so the next would be the eyeshadow palette. This is how it looks. Complete plastic packaging. It's so flimsy. I did not like either the packaging and the shades too from this. This is a big no-no. They have all the shimmer shades over, as you can see. They have blue, golden and kind of blackish brownish color, and one highlight over here. There was an orange shimmery shade and a pink matte shade here. It had actually collapsed. It got delivered completely damaged. Just for the video sake, I had to use the palette, and I'm just showing you guys. This is a complete waste of money. I got the MRP is for around 430, but I got this like around for 375 or something, but it is a complete waste of money. I did not like either the packaging or the quality of the product or the colors. It's a big no-no. So they do have 7 grams of product and retails for about 430, and that's it. The next one would be the Essence Kajal pencil. The pencil looks something like this. It has a retractable kajal, and I think they do have some 2 grams of product, and it retails for around 150 or something. I got it for around 115, 110 rupees. So this is a good one. I like the product, and it's kind of nice matte black. It smudges after some time, but you can give this a try. I like this product. So the next product would be the eyeliner. So the liquid eyeliner looks something like this. So the applicator and wand is something like this, and they do have a nice tip. You can create a winged eyeliner liner with this. So this is a good try. Just kind of show you how it looks. This is a nice matte black shade. The next would be their Big Lash Volume Boost Mascara. So the packaging looks something like this. So the applicator is, you can give it a nice swirl and curl to your lashes. It, of course, it's kind of very thick and but doesn't clump. So it's a nice mascara, and they have around 12 ml of product, and it retails for around 245. The eyeliner, I think I got this for around 220 bucks. It has 3 ml of product, and final product would be our Color Boost Essence Color Boost Matte About Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is an absolute super product. I love the product. The packaging is something like this. It has a very nice applicator, just like this. It has a nice shape. It gives a nice shape to your lips. They do have 6 to 7 shades. They all are like kind of nudish, kind of mauve color. This was a nice magenta kind of very dark color. I love the color. It looks so good on the dark skin people. So this is how the color looks. It's so amazing. It's so pigmented. It is very lightweight. You don't feel like you're wearing a liquid or a liquid lipstick. It doesn't dry out. It doesn't become flaky. It doesn't settle in your crease. It's so light. The pigmentation and the texture of the product is superb. I love the product. You have to really give this a try. So that's it for today's video. We have come to the end of this video. I hope this review must have been useful for you. These products are kind of affordable side. The quality is fine. It is not very impressive rather, but you can give it a try if you really like the kajal, mascara, and the liquid lipstick ranges are really good. They do have a number of bullet lipsticks, and they do have kajal pencils in different colors and shades. You can give it a try. The most non-impressive part of this video and the whole lot of review was the foundation. It did not suit me, and it took very long time for me to blend the product in because it was kind of very thick and it dries off very soon. So this was the drawback from this product, and otherwise all these other picks which I chose was a good one to try. If you're looking for something affordable but branded product, you can really give this a try. There are cruelty free and vegan products. So this is a European based brand, so you can give this a try. So until next time, Madziv is signing off. Tara, bye bye.